pupils, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a nice song here from STORMZY called Hide and Seek. So we're gonna look at that, different chords that goes in the same order through the entire song. And that's a great concept here, easy to teach and nice to play as well. So let's start with this one. We have the capo set here on the 2nd fret. So we're gonna look at this chord progression now, starting with G. And I'm gonna give you the basic chords as they are in a standard form. It's not necessarily how we're gonna play and use them, but I'm just gonna give you them to begin with and then show you how to handle them. So the first one will be G. It's a starting chord here. That will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B this time, and 3rd E. And open B, the reason for that one is because we have this note that is emphasized. We want to have that with us on the open B, so that's the reason. And we will move on here with the next chord, which will be the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then comes the C-B chord. We can call it that. Okay, so that is 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. Then comes the C. That is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then comes this one. It's kind of an E minor 7, but with a B in the bass. Yeah, it will be 2nd on A, and then the rest is just open. Open D, open G, open B, and open E. And then the final chord will be F. So that's a bar here on the 1st fret, all strings. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Okay, so we have, out of these 6 chords, we have 3 kind of main chords, and the other 3 chords are kind of just transition chords, kind of bridge chords that takes you to the next chord, so to speak. So we have this note that goes on these chords, so they're not like the main chords, but they will be there for a reason, and you will hear them in this chord progression melody. So the main chords here are the A minor, C, and F, and there is where the strumming goes. We're going to look at the strumming later, but first we're going to start with this melody. It sounds like this. Okay, so it goes like that. So the G chord starts here. You're gonna pick this 3rd fret on the E string as a bass. That gives you this kind of benchmark. It's the G. And you're gonna pick that together with, for instance, the open D, open G, and the open B. The open B here will be the note you want to emphasize, this one. So really it's actually enough to just hit this 3rd fret E string together with the open B, but you can give the extra kick here with the open G, open D as well. So like that, pick that together. And then we go to the A minor, the 1st main chord. Pick the notes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, and 1st B. Okay? The 4 strings, pick them together, but you want to emphasize the 1st B. This one, so that's the A minor part. Then we go to this bridge chord, this CB. You're gonna hold it like that. You're gonna pick the 2nd fret A string, and then you can add the open B, but the important thing here is the 3rd E string, this one. So pick these 3 strings together, and that takes us to the next main chord, the C. Here you can pick the 3rd fret A string, the bass. You can add the 1st fret B string as well, but the main note here will be the 3rd E string. So you're gonna add this 3rd E string here to the chord, because that is the main note here. That takes us to the next transition chord, and that is the E minor 7 with B in the bass. And here you can play the open, the 2nd A string. That's the bass. You can add the open G string, but the main note will be the open B. This one. So pick these 3 strings together like that. And then we are on the final chord, and that's the main chord, that's the F. Here you can pick this 1st fret on the E string in the bass. And you can add in the 2nd G string, but the main note here will be the 1st fret B string, this one. So that is how you handle the medley, and that's it. So slowly goes like this. And then a longer break after the F, and then again. All right, so there you have it. Now we're gonna look at the strumming pattern, and for this we're gonna look at these 3 chords that really builds up the song. It's the A minor, C, and F in that order. So A minor, 1st chord, let's look at the strumming. It will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, down. Okay, so down, down, up, clap, down, down, down. That is 1 round. Down, down, up, clap, down, down, down. So you're gonna play A minor, 1 strumming round, C, 1 strumming round, and F, 2 strumming rounds. So A minor 1, C 1, F 2, like this. How it goes through the entire song. Now you could add in these elements from this medley into the strumming. So if you notice there, I incorporated some of these notes, and I even use sometimes the transition chords. You will make your way through in this. You have this backbone here, A minor, C, and F, and these extra chords, and you will build your way with these chords. So that's it, my friends. Stormzy, hide and seek. So thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this, please thumb up, leave some comments or so. And I hope to see you very soon again. So till then, play tuned.